Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to call someone in your Grindr app. First of all, make sure you have already installed and created your account in Grindr app. Let's get started. Open your Grindr app. This is your home screen. On the bottom of the page you can see 4 options. Go to your messages. Now you can select any person with whom you want to call. On the bottom of the page you can see 4 options: camera, emoji, arrow, and something like notification option. Go to camera option. Here you can see 3 other options like add photos, videos, and name. If you click on video, you can call directly to the person with whom you want to talk. This is how you call someone in your Grindr app.